Hey, hi, hello, what's up everyone? It's me Shailesh Woodkar and welcome back to my channel Fit Marinito. Let's start this video. Dirty hand but working. And I want to tell you that like this video is all about you are asking me how you solve the problems in onboard ship, like electrical problems. So I get a call from third officer in this morning that in the starboard side lifeboat interior light is not working. So according to his information, I came here and I checked. I found that already bulb is in good condition and everything is fine. So I have checked with my drawing, and then I found out that maybe it will be just because of the fuse. Fuse may be blown off or something else. I need to check that, and I will show you how you can do that. First of all, you are whenever you are getting any problem, that time you have to listen first what they are trying to tell you, means why and how and which location, how such thing can happen. You have to imagine that things, so then only you can solve that problem. And while entering inside the lifeboat, I just wait for a while because it is an enclosed space only. Just wait for 2 minutes, then only entered. You properly put FVD and then go inside the lifeboat, and then later on I start the engine. I check the lifeboat is working, and then later on I check the battery voltage, and then battery switch is on. That time I check interior light, canopy light. Canopy light is working but interior light is not working, so I have checked the bulb of the interior light, and I find out that bulb is in good condition because inside the bulb the filament is not damaged or anything happened. Otherwise you can check the continuity of the bulb from bottom side, and you will get idea that it is working or not. And then later on I have checked the proper power supply is coming here or not. Then I find out the no power supply is coming, so that means the incoming line, with the incoming line something issue, something happened in incoming line to the that lamp, interior lamp. So I checked with the diagram, and I find out before this lamp the fuse of 3 amps is there, so I need to check that, and later on we will find the solution. So let's drive. Anybody wants to go with me for a long drive in my lifeboat? So you can join me, you can message me, and I will catch you in the middle of the sea. Let's start. I will show you the how to start lifeboat, and how you can check by running lifeboat its engine is working properly or not, and everything. So first of all, this switch is much important. Better waterborne. So this is the 4 mode. Actually, whenever you are going to start, before that you have to glow for a while, then you start, and then start. After that keep it back to the off position, it will run. Okay, this is Aston ahead neutral. This is a battery main switch. From here, without this engine will not run. And this is the sub switch for interior light, canopy light and everything. And this is emergency stop. So like this we have to pull, then only it will stop the engine. So I'm not going to start because right now we are in port. So means right now I am not allowed to do that, so I will do it later on. So बस आपको दिखाना था process. So first check the oil level of engines, then check the battery. Everything is fine, go for it. Use this key, use for a while in glow, then later on put on and start. It will run, then keep it in on. Check RPM will increase slowly. While you are giving ahead and Aston, it will increase, and according to that take pictures, and then first turn off. pull this. Okay, emergency stop. Off this switch. Okay, good. So this is the control panel of the live board operation. So I need to remove this all nut and bolts so I can see the electrical circuit. Okay. This one is so much important. 13, 10, and try to have shifter also with you every time. It will be helpful. Should be clear, not like this is the foggy one, just because I think so the winter season, but I need to clean it and I need to change this one. This need to be clean and clear. And see, I'm talking about this. So this filament is proper, so that means nothing is. This is my zone. Here I need to check, I need to find out power supply we are getting from here. This is the line, then this is the fuse holder, so I need to check. And then something happened here. See, this is the main problem, I think so. Let me check this canopy light. So this is the inside view of the control panel, and let's check out. Volt 5 to 10 watt. You can check the power supply is coming or not over here in this two terminal by keeping your positive and negative terminal to connect to this. So much trouble for shooting, but still I have to shoot. this fuse is gone. So I checked, I found that fuse is working properly, fuse having a good continuity, and just the matter, this cap is a little bit loose, so I need to tighten up, and then I found my bulb is glowing. See, this kind of thing. So with the insulation tape I try to fix it, and then this is working. So just finished with this problem, and I hope you guys now understand this is how you going to approach the problems. So whenever you get any problems or any queries, first listen what review you are getting from the person who is telling that problem, and what exactly on which location what happened and how happened. Everything you should observe, and then later on you try to go for it, and then once you will solve the problem, you will find out it is not that much big, but it is very helpful for you that to learn so many things. Like in while working on this interior lamp, I learned so many things, like how the diagram is going to flow, and each and everything from fuse 3 amps. If any problem happen, maybe the power will not come to this lamp input. So that's how you can trace your problems solution, and hopefully this video will help you a lot. And sorry for I cannot upload more videos inside the ship now, because day after tomorrow my sign off is there, and hopefully I will make videos in my home, and I will try to upload it, because I know what kind of thing I have done on wood chip. So now I can clearly tell you in my next videos. Hopefully you will continue watching my videos, and lots of love, and please thanks, and thank you for your subscription. I love you all. So I hope you guys watch this video completely.